Welcome to another video. In this one, I'll show you what flashcards are and how to use them and why they're so important. Well, what are flashcards? As you can infer from the name, they're cards which bear information on both sides, and they're supposed to be used while studying for a particular topic or subject, and basically help a lot in memorization. Now, you might be wondering why they help so much. That's because they use active recall as the main method of learning instead of passive recall. Now, if you're wondering what these words mean, then don't worry, let me just tell you in a brief way what's the importance of active recall and why is it so essential. Well, using active recall cements your knowledge very deeply. It means that your forgetting process slows down. You're less likely to forget stuff easily, and it consolidates your long-term memory. On the other hand, passive recall is the opposite. It's when you're just reading through your textbook and nothing's really getting absorbed in your head, and you're not going to remember the information you're reading about for very long. That's why active recall is encouraged, and that's why you should use flashcards. Now, of course, you can make flashcards either on paper, on those cards, or online as I do, and this is because I believe they have many benefits. So, number one is that you can study anywhere. You can reach your flashcards wherever you are, because if you have an internet connection, of course, you can just access them from any device wherever you might be. On the other hand, you have to carry physical flashcards, which can become a challenge at times. Then next, you don't need to be an artist really. You don't need to have lots of markers or highlighters. You can just easily type in your flashcards and that's it, you're done. You can also save the environment. That's a huge point. Go green. And then lastly, you can share these flashcards with your friends. And what's better than sharing your knowledge? So yeah, and now let's look at 3 online websites which I found very good for flashcards. So here's Quizlet, and as you can see, you can add as many sets as you want, and each set has many flashcards. Then there's Brainscape, which is pretty similar, it's just that the layout is different, and they don't have many learning options unlike Quizlet. There's only one way through which you can study your flashcards. And then there's Anki, which I haven't really tried, but I've heard that it's really good, and it's available on the web as well as a download on your laptop or a download on your device. At the end, of course, it's your choice whether or not you want to use flashcards, but I would recommend that you do because it does have a lot of benefits, and it's the main way that I chose to prepare for my exams. And yeah, I hope you'll find it useful too. Thank you for watching.